Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to resize your C partition and make it bigger. As you know, in Windows it's nearly impossible to resize your C partition and make it bigger. But in this tutorial I bring you a tool which is called Mini Tool Partitioning Wizard. It will help us in resizing the C partition. And as you see here, in my C drive is almost full. So let's extend the C drive and make it more large. And let's start. First thing, just download this .exe file from the description. I just provided a link to my Google Drive, and you can install, you can download this. And after downloading this, if you have antivirus, you just need to disable your antivirus. Just pause protection, apply. Then you just install this. It's a simple installation. After you complete installing Mini Tool, you just open it. It's very easy. You just need to open, yes. Okay, as you see, like this. Now I need to go to C drive. This is my drive. It's almost full. I just need to right click and go to extend. And from here, I will choose the amount to extend from. Here, take free space from. I will take from D or E. I can take from any one of them. I will take from D. As you see here, D and E is not full. So I will take from D and I will choose how much. So I think I will take, let's say, 30 gigabytes I will take. And just I hit on OK. So the new size of C is from 218 to 248. And the new size of D will be just 82 gigabytes. So OK. And here I just type or hit click on apply. It's here just telling us that we should close all other applications before starting. Just click on yes, and partitioning will start. It's very easy. Okay, it's saying that all pending changes are applied successfully. Okay, let's exit the program and we can go here. Now, as you see, it's now extended. And if I go here to manage, to disk management, as you see, it's 248 gigabytes now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you. See you in the next video.